Don't hit my...
Go. Don't put your hand in.
But why not, Greg? Sahara, what you doing? Uh-oh. Can you get it? Get it! Get it! Come on! Good girl! Have you learned the joys of your squeaky toy? Ooh. Oh, careful. Be careful with the candles. Can you get it? You can get it. Is that too tight for you? Get it. Don't go by Daddy. He's naked. Shh. This is what she's been doing all night. But she's had this toy forever. Have you just figured out the noises it makes? Oh, are you finally tired? Oh, that tail is wagging. Are you finally tired, Sahara? Oh, that's a hard workout, isn't it?